Okay, let's take you guys inside. This is a progress video from the last upload that we did. And the gentlemen were working on the drywall today and putting in the windows and the new doors and a little bit of painting. So everything's drying. So let's work our way to the right side of the house. As I stated, do not open these doors. They're brand new. They just put them in today. So the crew put up the drywall and some of the painting. And like I said earlier, the windows are brand new.